Here is an example of graphing a system of inequalities. One of them is a quadratic inequality and the other one is a linear inequality. So let's start with this top inequality. We're going to solve it for y. So I'm going to add a y to both sides. And then I'm going to subtract a 1 from both sides. Now I tend to like to write my y first, then watch your inequality direction. The inequality is eating the variable y, and then I have x squared minus 1. I'm just going to change colors here for a minute and think about a parent function for a parabola. We're going to graph this blue inequality like we would graph quadratic. It opens up with a parent function looking like the green, but we're going to shift it up 1 unit. So up 1 unit, instead of being at 0, 0, it's going to be over 0, up 1. And then it's going to be 1 unit right, 1 unit up on each side. And then 4 units up on each side from the origin. So here's what my parabola, oops, it should be down, sorry. Should be down 1 unit. There we go. Just kind of make a note here. This tells me to move it down 1. Now we are going to shade the solution to that inequality. It says it's greater than, so we're going to shade the greater piece, which is inside. If you're not sure, just test a point inside and then 1 outside, and to see which one is true. Now we're going to go ahead and graph the other inequality. So let's change this to slope-intercept form. So let's add an x to both sides. And then put the x first and then the 1. So this, remember, is my slope. And that's my y-intercept. So now I'm going to erase this black piece for now, just so it's not so close. And just remember that was shaded earlier. Alright, so when we graph our linear inequality, we start with the y-intercept of 1, and then we do our slope, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And this inequality is including, so we're going to do a solid line. And then it says y is less than or equal to. So we're going to shade below. And notice this piece right here overlapped with our black piece. Remember, our black piece was all in here. So the solution to our system is this curved piece. And that's how you can graph a quadratic inequality and a linear inequality that makes up our system.